set of special guests. As promised kanina, meron pa tayong mga kausap. I'm sure lahat kayo excited na rin silang makita at malaman kung ano ba ang dapat nating abangan sa kanila now that they are here sa outside world. Pero bago natin sila formally ipakilala sa inyong lahat, gusto muna namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng ating friends from Domiga na nandito pa rin! Hello! Thank you so much, guys! At maraming salamat din sa Coffee Project, sa ating venue for today. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating YouTube and Facebook accounts ng Star Magic. Keep your comments coming. Grabe, ang dami niyo ng comments kanina pa. Kung may mga tanong kayo, susubukan natin na itanong po yan mamaya. Okay? And please don't forget to use our official hashtag, Star Magic Spotlight PressCon. And itag nyo rin po kami sa Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, at Star Magic Films. Okay, pero sa ngayon, mukhang ready na tayo na makilala kung sino ba sila, ang ating mga aabangan sa ating mga future movies, TV shows, at iba natin ang kung ano pang iba ng projects. Pero bago yan, panoorin muna natin ito.
Over the course of 120 days, we witnessed 4 promising young Kapamillas navigate the ultimate test of character on live television. In Pinoy Big Brother Collab 2.0, they showed who they were through journeys full of sacrifice, growth, trust, and respect. We've seen Miguel Vergara as a young actor on our screens. He appeared in One More Try, Lavender Fields, and most recently, What Lies Beneath as young Ryan. In all of his ventures, even inside the PBB house, we have witnessed how his compassion and good-natured character are his best assets. Now outside, Miguel, our Kapamilya 4th big placer, will surely soar as one of the most promising young actors of this generation. Introduced as one of the new artists of Star Magic just last year, Joaquin Arce proved that his driven personality extends beyond house tasks and challenges. Joaquin was able to showcase his true character, resolve, and strong will as a housemate, all of which attracted the admiration of many fans. As our Kapamilya 3rd big placer, he is armed with determination in his showbiz journey that is just starting. Full of eagerness, there seems to be no limit to what he can achieve. Another former child star who is loved inside the Bahay ni Kuya is Crystal Mehs. With major shows under her belt such as Love ni Ara, Lavender Fields, and now What Lies Beneath as young Erica, Crystal Mehs introduced herself inside the PBB house with quiet confidence and emerged as someone with principled strength. She's a girl with headstrong values, thus making our Kapamilya 2nd big placer a trustworthy role model of this generation. Finally, also launched last year as one of Star Magic's newest artists, Lela Ford is an up-and-coming star in her own right. Determined to make her own name for herself, her respectful character shone bright during her PBB stint and persisted all the way to her reign as the PBB Collab 2.0 big winner. Now everyone watches with anticipation on how far our Kapamilya big winner will go, curious to see her fully as the star she is always meant to be. Audiences have the pleasure of closely getting to know Miguel, Joaquin, Crystal, and Lela while inside the PBB house. Now starting their individual journeys, they were strengthened by their own battles that they were strong enough to share with Filipino audiences. Excitingly, their 4 unique journeys that blossomed together within Kuya's walls are now beginning to unfold in their own unique ways, here in the real world.
Please welcome to the Star Magic Spotlight PressCon ang Kapamilya Big 4 ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collaboration 2.0! Kilala natin sila isa-isa. Let's start with your monikers and then greet everyone. Unahin natin si Miguel Vergara!
Hello po, ako si Miguel, ang adorable smasher ng Antipolo. Hello! I love you.
Short and sweet. I love you guys. Okay, and let's have Joaquin Arce!
Hello po, ako po si Joaquin Arce, ang rising dreamer ng Muntinlupa. At maraming salamat muli sa lahat ng mga beses na pinagtanggol niyo po ako. Maraming salamat. I love you guys also.
And next we have Crystal Mehs!
Hello everybody, I'm Crystal Tomeres, ang Wishful Waray ng Sabon.
Short. Hello everyone!
And lastly, we have Lella Ford.
Hello everyone, I'm Lala Ford, ang bunso ng Tacloban. And thank you to everyone who's here today. And sa mga sumusuporta po, maraming salamat.
Yay, guys! Nakapamilya Big Four is here! Wow, alam niyo ba guys, isa to sa mga pinaka-jam-packed na episodes ng Spotlight Press Con. As in, sobrang daming tao, hindi to usual. Sobrang talagang hindi na magkasya ang ating mga media friends ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And kanina, bago kami mag-start guys, kaya medyo natagalan kasi grabe nagsigawan po ang ating housemates nung nagkita sila. Yung first batch tsaka itong second batch, na-miss niyo ba ang isa't isa?
Super,
Gano'ng katagal nung last kayo nagkita ba?
Ako po kami ni Carmel ng isang araw.
Ay, hala! Kakakita siya lang pala. How about the others?
Actually, kagabi, magkakasama lang.
Kakasama ko kami kagabi.
Pero every time po talaga nakikita kami, it's just so fun. It's so fun talaga. Kasi we're used to being with each other po 24/7 inside the house. And then now, doon lang po kami talaga naiwalay. So it's so good seeing everyone.
Magandang perspective yun, no? Kasi nga, nakulong kayo sa iisang bahay 24/7 as you said. So ngayon, kahit na nung isang araw nakita na kayo, you feel like it's such a long time na. Oo, kaya pala. Tsaka grabe rin yung, ang hyper nilang lahat. I love it. Okay, now, sisimulan natin itong ating press con with the same question that I asked our first batch. This is coming from our friend from Cinema One. Okay. Ano ang gusto niyong sabihin kay Big Brother ngayon na nasa outside world na kayo?
I miss you, Kuya. I miss you so much.
Hindi
Sir, yeah, dude, it's like, he's sure there's a guy, like, it's like he's, kumbaga, yung guider, yung giver ng guidance sa amin sa loob ng bahay. At lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin, Kuya was there. Obviously, he was watching everything and he always knew what to say. So, you know, in contrary to yung mga beses na, you know, medyo nakakatakot siya or, you know, but mas lamang yung miss namin sa kanya. And we really miss Kuya.
Nami-miss niyo si Kuya? May times ba na parang ngayon, kasi nasa outside world na kayo, syempre nag-a-adjust pa lang kayo. May times ba na ini-imagine nyo nasa confession room kayo ulit, kinakausap ulit si Kuya, ganyan?
Minsan
Share
po,
kayo?
ini-imagine ko kung kunwari meron akong problem, ini-imagine ko kung ano sasabihin sa akin ni Kuya.
Oh.
Kasi talagang yung lessons na binibigay ni Kuya sa loob ng bahay, talagang okay talaga, super. Everyday talaga dun sa bahay, all 127 days dun sa bahay, may lesson talaga.
So kung may gusto kang message na isend kay Kuya, ano yun?
Kuya, I miss you, and ang hindi ko lang maraming sa bahay ni Kuya, pinapasayaw niya ako palagi, pero pero I miss you, Kuya, I miss you, and I hope makausap ulit kita.
And the girls, Crystal?
Ako, Kuya, I miss you so much, Big Brother. I call him Big Brother sa confession room. Like, oh, Big Brother! I miss you so much, Big Brother. I'm so grateful for you po and sa lahat ng mga lessons na binibigay po sa akin na pang habang buhay ko pong babaunin. So maraming salamat, Big Brother. I miss you so much, Kuya.
Na-mention mo na yung lessons na forever mong babaunin. Give us one na lesson na nakuha mo sa bahay na forever nasa iyo talaga.
Ang dami, ate. Like what Miguel said, every single day talaga sa bahay ni Kuya. There's so many lessons na makukuha ko, nakukuha ko sa pang-araw-araw. Ang dami, 127 days.
Give us one lang na off the top of your head ngayon. It doesn't have to be the biggest lesson, pero isa sa mga naalala mo lang ngayon na you'll carry with you.
Siguro, one of the lessons, or like, yung yung malaking nakuha ko talaga sa bahay ni Kuya. And I shared this with one of my close friends inside, si Carmel. I think Kuya taught me how to just simply exist in his house. Yeah.
Ang deep. Ang deep. Thank you so much. And Lela.
Ayun din po talaga yung words of wisdom ni Kuya. Yun po talaga yung pinaka na-miss ko. And of course, si Kuya, yung mga dad jokes niya. Ang di ko lang din na-miss kay Kuya yung every time pinapatayan niya ako ng ilaw. Kasi lagi ako tinatakot ni Kuya. Pag-utusan niyo po ako sa storage room. But, yeah, sobrang miss na miss ko na po si Kuya. Kuya, sana okay ka lang po lagi. Sana soon maka-visit po ako sa'yo.
Gusto niyo po kaya? Okay, wait. Let me ask you guys. Willing ba kayong bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya.
Bisita lang po.
As a house.
Ang dami ko natutunan doon. Okay? I love Kuya so much. And it's a once in a lifetime experience. So I'm happy it happened, but I'm not going.
Okay, it's a no for Joaquin. Ikaw, Miguel.
Bisita lang po.
Bisita.
Bisita.
Kunwari, bisita na yun. Alam mo yung nag-overnight na bisita?
Ah, okay lang po, okay.
Okay lang din. How about you,
Ako
Krista?
din po, bisita na mag-overnight ng 1 week.
Wow! Willing ka, 1 week. Ikaw, Len.
Ako po, gusto ko po matry maging ninja. Yun yung gusto ko matry. Maging ninja. Huwag kayo makita.
Yung nanggugulo sa housemates, sa current housemates, yung mga ninja.
Parang gusto ko din.
Parang gusto mo sa revenge, no?
Pero yung pabisita doon.
Pero grabe yung 127 days. Kayo yung makakapagsabi, kayo talaga yung nakatagal ng 127 days dun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, medyo na sabi niyo na yung ano yung hindi niyo mamimiss kayo, diba? Yung ibang hindi pa nakapag-share. Kasi part din yun ng questions natin. Ano yung hindi niyo mamimiss sa loob?
Yun pa rin palagi akong pinapasaya ni Kuya.
Yun naman, na-share mo na yan. Okay. Ano pa yung mga gusto niyo i-share?
Ako po yung sleep call.
Sleep call?
Ay,
wake up call.
Hindi yung, wake up call.
Wake up call.
Yung wake up call, tsaka yung bawal matulog ng hapon, bawal matulog. And yun po talaga yung hindi ko namimiss. Tsaka yung wake up call na sobrang sakit.
Malakas talaga siya.
Super.
Oh, okay. Ikaw, Joaquin.
Ako, hindi ko namimiss yung naka-on talaga yung lights sa boys' bedroom. Kasi, swear, like yung boys' bedroom, naka-on lang yung ilaw. So it's like, the lights are so bright. And it's like we can't see properly.
Hindi ba pinapatay pag matutulog kayo? Hindi ba pinapatay naman pag matutulog kayo? Ha? Oh, so challenge yun.
Tsaka yung Arinola moments. Hindi ko
Why are you
namimiss
telling
yun.
ko?
No, I'm answering honest.
Okay. And lalo na share mo na yung pinapatayin ka nga ng ilaw. O yung, ayaw mo yung nakabukas ilaw, ikaw naman ayaw pinapatayin ka ng ilaw.
Arinola adventures.
Oh, oh my gosh, na-experience niyo yun? Nasa estado niyo to? Oo, pinag-arinola kayo. Okay. Now,
Actually, ako yung taga sa Arinola. So,
Siya na din
yeah,
talaga.
So, like kami ni Mark, medyo kami rin.
wow. Kaya pala ayaw mo nang bumalik. Ang hirap nga naman nun,
Yung
guys.
doors na may magnets. Yeah, but the
Oo, iba yung experience nila.
But it was fun. It was super fun. Super.
Okay, the next question is, medyo connected dun sa are you willing to go back inside the house eh. Dun sa mga nag-answer ng yes, who would you want to